Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got something really different because I have been wanting to do this for a while and I bought another bike and it's right here. Who guessed it? Because I really couldn't stay away from them for that much longer. So this is my 2025 Yamaha R1 Raven Edition. Shout out Used Bike Direct for helping me set this up. Daniel's awesome. He owns the used bike dealerships. There's one in Dallas and Houston. This came from the Dallas. So shout out Caden and Amon for driving all the way out here just to deliver it to me. I have already gotten a 3/4 SC project put on there. Full titanium. And the headers are already titanium. So works out. You only have to put a 3/4 slip on there. Super, super excited about this. I've been crashing out about not having an R1 ever since I sold my other one. And this is the same colorway as my first one, so it's kind of a surreal moment to have another one.
You can see me at the top, looking down, screaming, what now? Tell them throw the towel, they could never put the squad down. Switch it back to me, I'm rolling blunts just cause the sun out. If I don't let her hit my weed, she sit there and pout. What she want? When I'm on my feet, I got her looking up. Pull up to the scene, she looks so good.
300 miles on the dash. I literally forgot how to look through my menu. Oh, there it is. 315 on the dash. And then when it's broken in, BT tune will be slapped on there. Air filter will be slapped on there. Stacks later, but probably change the sprocket size to 520 conversion. Really, that's all I kind of need for it to feel really great. Watch it just not start. Okay. First cold start on the R1. That's mean. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna get a few little revs in there. It's warm enough. So good. Ah. I love this bike. I am literally so excited to have another R1. You guys have no clue. Like, and I'm not gonna lie, at first the 25s were like, whatever, da-da-da, but the winglets really grew on me, and they have upgraded brakes and suspension. The R1Ms, the new R1Ms don't have that. I really just don't understand why, but I have like Brembos now. I already have a few things in the mail coming for it. I have a whole build sheet for it already. I think I'm gonna keep the black for a little bit, but it is getting painted at some point. But yeah, I really, really am excited about this bike. It's got 300 miles on it, so it's basically new. I'm gonna just say it has 0. Shout out Daniel. He owns Used Bike Direct. There's one in Dallas and Houston, and I think he wants to expand in some other states, maybe Atlanta. So if you're in Dallas or Houston, go check them out. They obviously got me this R1, so let them know what you want. Go check out their inventory. And they also have a new parts department, and they put this beautiful SC project on here. Full titanium 3/4 slip, which in my opinion is probably one of the best sounding exhausts on here. It's just loud. It's just straight loud. But I love the tone of it, and it looks sick with the shorty. I want to go ride it.
I say same to you, I shake a hand and tell them roll it up. Money man, short it, but I don't brag, that ain't my character. You can do the math, I failed that class, but I'm still counting up. Shout out Miss Malone, she tried to help, but I ain't give a fuck. I was ditching school with TA, trying to stack it up. $5 Reggie blunt seeds.
first thing we're doing is we're slapping a code sticker on it. Wait, also, where am I gonna put this?
Yeah, I was about to say,
I was gonna say maybe just like on the windshield like that.
This is way smaller than the other one.
Well, yeah, I didn't want to put a huge one on there yet. That looks kind of cool.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll put it right there.
Exactly how the Jixer is.
Oh yeah, I did put that right there. The code 1 restock is live right now until Friday. So if you didn't get anything from the first drop, the site's back open. It has some new colorways. And we also have these stickers for sale. They're all reflective, come in 4 and 7 inch. 7 inch I would put probably on the windshield. This will put right here because I think this is a good spot. So I just prepped my surface with alcohol wipe. Gonna stick that right there. That's hot. Okay. And I don't know if this is straight or not. Does it look straight, guys?
No, not even.
All right. You swear it doesn't look straight? You know what? We're gonna stand on my decision to put it right there and just leave it. All right. This is also the first thing that's coming off. Because I know you have to have these for standards, but I'll be all right. No one needs to see me anyways. That's mean.